Whoa, dude, it like snowed, man. What are we gonna do? Alright, Snow Angels, yeah!
Let's try a little strawberry. Drizzle a little bit on there. Chunky chunks for extra chunky pleasure, and a little juices for little juicy extra, and you add a little extra snow on top for layers. And then I might want a little blueberry on top of my strawberry because, you know, a mixed bag is always a little better. Strawberry blueberry snow cone, like you always dreamed of. Organic, fruity, and homemade is the best. I think this time we'll paint our palette with a little bit of mango sauce because I do love the mango. It's not quite as juicy as the others, but you can make it as juicy as you want. You can have a little bit of chunk, a little bit of juice, whatever fits your agenda. And then if you just want to slap a little bit more snow on there, then you can do that. It does make it a little bit more pleasurable when you have double layers on your snow cone. I think I'll add a little bit of strawberry juice on top of my mango because that's the way I like to flow today. And if you're feeling really saucy, you can go for a triple threat. Go ahead and add a little bit of blueberry on top of your strawberry for extra effect. And a little garnish makes it always a little nicer. If you want a little bit more juice, you can always grab some of that strawberry juice because it likes to melt real well. Just kind of drizzle a little bit on your snow cone like you always wanted. Isn't that nice? I think I'll do one last third snow cone for fun. Lots of blueberries. A little bit of mango and strawberry. And when you're leftover fruit, you can make a mixed bowl of snowy fruit for fun because who doesn't love that? Doesn't that look nice? It's so good. My dog even wants some. What dog wouldn't? Needless to say, it's not completely irrelevant to make a snowy snow cone out of real fruit and real snow and real paper. But it is completely irrelevant in the sense that this is completely irrelevant. Check it out. It's fruity and delicious. It's real snow, it's real fruit. It's everything you ever wanted and more. In fact, I'm gonna make these every day that it snows. I think I need some extra snow, 1 second. And that's all you do. You just grab a little snow and you add it right on there. You know, not enough snow, just grab some more snow. It's that simple. You know, you just kind of mash them together if you want to, you know. And until next time, in the vastness of space, this is completely irrelevant. Bye.